Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. So the s I will put on the right. This one I will put on the left. Next, this one that is about identities, we need to change by y minus 1 to the power of number 2. This one that is about identities, so we change by 1 minus cosine x squared. So we have the formula in here. So we put cosine x squared go to the right. And we need to change 1 minus cosine x squared into sine x squared. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. So the integration of this one, we have negative number 1 over y minus 1. The integration of this one, we have negative cotangent x, and I will put about c. Now we have the conditions. That means when s equals to b over 4, y equals to number 2. So we put this one going here to find the value of c. So I will put number 2 in here, and b over 4 I will put in here. So if we simplify everything, and we have c equals to number 0. So we can put like this. We simplify the negatives. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.